Today's an exciting day. A while ago, I joined a rehoming group for cats in my area, and recently they posted that they had 4 kittens with only 2 left available, and the 2 left were brothers. And these little brothers were orange and tan. They were found under a porch, abandoned outside from their mom, and I knew that they were meant to be ours. We are home with the kitties. We are setting everything up. They're getting used to the room. We're being nice and quiet. And we are so excited to cuddle and love on these little kitties. They are the cutest. We have their little collars. I wanted to give you a little update on the kitten situation. So we have stuff lining the dresser because they keep going under the dresser. And then we have the litter box, food and water, and my 1-year-old filled the water with food. So I have to clean that out. This is what they were in by the person who rescued them. I just have them in the same setup. I'm leaving the door open so they can come and go as they please. And then up here we have their basket with the wet food that she was feeding them, toys that we got, a deodorizer, air freshener. And then I have poop bags because I saw a hack to use this kind of like small animal bedding instead of regular litter. And it's really hard to scoop, so I've been having the kids pick up the poop every time they poop with dog poop bags, and it's been working really, really well for us. The kittens, now ignore the mess, it's very messy under my daughter's bed, but the kittens have been staying under the bed. There's one, and Frito is back there. They're sleeping on the mess of her stuff. That's her heater blanket and the controllers for the heater blanket, but Frito's back there sleeping. To be the least intimidating that I can be for them. Everyone is sleeping. My older daughter is still awake and she's watching her iPad in her bed, but I'm just laying here and letting them run around me, and they're getting really comfortable. It'd be so cute if they came up to me and sniffed me on their own. It is the next morning. I haven't got to ask my daughter how the kittens were overnight, but we came in the room and the dark orange kitten is really warming up to us. He came out from under the bed. He's playing with my 1-year-old and my 3-year-olds, and that's really, really exciting to see. The other kitten is hidden away under the dresser. I'm not sure if he's gonna come around anytime soon, but he is more cuddly and loving when we do get him out and get him in our arms. He just stays in our arms and purrs and is so sweet. But this is what they're doing with the little orange guy. Gentle, Risen, gentle. The kittens got into some trash, I see. I don't know where they got that from. No, Stay out of there. We're not making a mess of the kitty's water. These tiny kittens were rescued by a woman who saw their mother with them outside of her work, and eventually one day the mom did not come back. The kittens were so scared and timid. She had them for about 2 weeks before we brought them home, and I honestly cannot believe how good they're being with the children, how gentle they are. They have not scratched or bitten us one time, and the kids are kind of a lot for them. And they're just so, so sweet. It's unbelievable how fast the kittens have come around to us and gotten comfortable with us. And that's probably because I did a lot of research on how to make cats feel comfortable in your home. And I followed that strictly. So if anyone's interested, I can make a video on what we did to have the cats come around to us so quickly. But I cannot believe that they're trusting us and already wanting to be with us. We couldn't have gotten any luckier. Baby. We are making a lot of progress with this little Cheeto nugget. He is really like wanting to be with us and wanting to play with us. He just came out from under the bed to cuddle against us sitting here. My dog's in there. He is eating on my leg. I would say that is some good progress right there. I'm gonna take a video. And then we have his brother. Who is lounging, getting pets. Look at this progress. They're really starting to love us. Oh, it looks like he smiled. Cutie pie.